So you can see the beautiful scenery which is leading to the city of Quepem. See the beautiful mountain. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah. And I can't zoom it properly, but there is a Buddha statue right there. But I can't properly zoom, but there is a beautiful Buddha statue there. So let's go further. This is there are a lot of shops on the road, but this place is still not developed much. It's not the lot of high-rise buildings are not here, so it's beautifully that intact of original villages of Goa, how it was beautiful with fields, with small houses, and then mountains are still intact in Quepem. I feel it is rather than north, south is more beautiful in a natural way. It's still organic, I feel. So whenever you come to Goa, give preference to this beautiful scenery and area of Quepem. Quepem is beautiful. There are various temples, natural springs, waterfalls located in this area. So let's go further and enjoy the journey. Let's go further, and I will be silent and you enjoy this beautiful moment of nature which we are witnessing.